Bullish OMG value forecast is $2.53 to $8.10. OMG organization cost could likewise reach $10 soon. Bearish OMG cost expectation for 2022 is $1.61. In OMG organization's cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and a lot other data about OMG to dissect the future development of the digital currency. OMG organization current market status. The cost of OMG organization is $1.74 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,629,950 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, OMG has diminished by almost 1% as of now. Besides, OMG organization has a circling supply of 140,245,398 OMG. Right now, OMG organization exchanges digital money trades like Binance, FMFW.io, LBank, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit. What is OMG organization? OMG is the local badge of the OMG organization. The OMG organization is an Ethereum and ERC20 symbolic worth exchange organization. It calls itself the first creation-grade Layer 2 Ethereum scaling arrangement and needs to make it simpler for clients to move cash and different computerized values on the blockchain all the more rapidly, more reasonably, and safely. OMG is utilized for paying charges on the organization. Also, validators that work network hubs and approve blocks utilize the token. Exchange expenses are the manner by which they are made up for their administrations. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of OMG organization sliding triangle design. This example is in many cases viewed as a quality of a negative pattern. It is shaped by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a flat pattern line associating lows joins to frame a triangle. Assuming that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. For the most part, a dropping triangle design demonstrates the inversion of an upturn or the continuation of the downtrend. Brokers distinctly pay special attention to a critical breakout point. Right now, OMG organization is in the scope of $1.72. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of OMG could arrive at the opposition levels of $2.03 and $2.43. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of OMG might tumble to $1.60. OMG organization backing and opposition level. The beneath outline shows the help and obstruction level of OMG. The diagrams show that OMG organization has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, OMG could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $8.10 in like manner. In the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of OMG organization could plunge to nearly $1.61, a negative sign. OMG organization value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of OMG organization is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of OMG lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of OMG organization is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, OMG organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, OMG has entered a negative state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of OMG whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the OMG is 44.42. This implies that OMG organization is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of OMG might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. OMG organization value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at OMG organization's typical directional record. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of OMG organization. Right now, the ADX of OMG lies in the scope of 7.128 and consequently, it shows a powerless pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the overall instability list of OMG organization. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of OMG lies over 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of OMG organization is at 44.42, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activities of OMG is a comparative pattern regarding ETH. This shows that when the cost of ETH increments, the cost of OMG increments. What's more, when the cost of ETH diminishes, the cost of OMG diminishes separately. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, OMG Organization could likely accomplish $10 by 2023. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, OMG Organization could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, OMG could revitalize to hit $15 by 2024. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. If OMG Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, OMG will mobilize to hit $20. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that OMG Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, OMG would revitalize to hit $25. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2027. If OMG Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, OMG would revitalize to hit $30. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2028. In the event that OMG Organization holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a huge cost rallies. Hence, by 2028, OMG would hit $35. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on OMG Organization, it would observe significant spikes. OMG could hit $40 by 2029. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the OMG Organization biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into OMG Organization for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, OMG Organization could hit $45 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the OMG Organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for OMG. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of OMG Organization in 2022 is $8.10. Then again, the negative value expectation of OMG Organization cost forecast for 2022 is $1.61. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the OMG Organization environment, the presentation of OMG would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $25.62. Very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $10 assuming the financial backers accept that OMG is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is OMG Organization? OMG is the local badge of the OMG Organization. The OMG Organization is an Ethereum and ERC20 symbolic worth exchange organization. 2. Where could you at any point buy OMG? OMG has recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, FMFW.io, LBank, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, OKX, BingX, and CoinW. 3. Will OMG come to another ATH soon?